I'm no fan of Salman Rushdie, but I am a fan, a passionate one, of the right of everyone, whether I agree with them or not, to have freedom of speech and freedom of opinion. And it's always kind of been there, but now we've reached still new extremes of this childlike belief that because you believe something, everyone else must do the same, or else. It's an arrogance that is beyond the ability of language to describe. And thus we have this. Radical Islamists celebrate stabbing of, quote, blasphemous author Salman Rushdie. Rushdie stabbed in the neck by a man on stage during lecture in New York. Award-winning author has been target of fundamentalist Muslims since 1988 and his fictional novel, The Satanic Verses, which was perceived as insulting towards Islamic faith. Now, I don't believe the Islamic faith is accurate in its view of the world. I do believe in the right of anyone to believe it does and to worship and live their lives on the basis that the Islamic narrative is true. It's called freedom. Where we seriously part company is when someone believes something and then insists on, in this case, attempted murder, that someone else, everyone else, must believe the same. This is where I'm coming from. And this goes for this sort of extreme. It goes for Silicon Valley censorship of any kind, whereby you are saying that only you have a right to your opinion and everyone else must be prevented from having theirs, or at least speaking theirs, if it differs from you. And we see this everywhere. Look at the woke mentality. Look at the wokers. How difficult it is now for me to speak in public because immediately a venue is named, bang, the wokers are onto the venue. You can't let him speak, he's not woke. No, I'm not, thank God. Still got a mind of my own.